Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register your business on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on your profile icon at the right bottom corner. And then you need to click on three bars at the top right corner. And then you need to click on Business Suite. And then you need to click on Business Registration. And once you are in business registration, it will show your business category on your business profile, and you will enjoy upcoming advanced feature for your business. And then you need to click on agree to the TikTok terms of service. Select this one and click on register. And then you need to give your legal business name, your country, your address, your province, your city, your zip or postal code, your phone number, your business license ID, into your DUNS code, your website, and then you need to click on next. And after clicking on next, let's fill the detail. After adding your business detail, then you need to click on next. Then you need to click on, you will select anything. I'm going to select upload business qualification. So you can add your business qualification here, or you can select public listing. So basically you need this information. I have not this information, so I'm unable to do that. But if you have that information, you easily put that information and you can easily register your business on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.